Hello guys, this is Average Trader. Welcome to week 45 of our trade logging series. This week we made 1R. It was a very slow week, right? Markets did not really move up or down in our favor at all, right? But you know, these are the weeks that you have to focus on maintaining your gains, right? Don't lose all of your profits on slow weeks. So this week we managed to make 1R, and we'll go through the reasons why we did what we did. Just a quick reminder, if you do want to see all of this happen live, head on over to our website, averagetrader.live. We're the only chat room on the market that has a profit promise guarantee. So if for any given month we do not make profit, you get all of your money back, no question asked. Now, without further ado, let's hop straight into the first trade of the week. And the first trade of the week was plug 815 by 805, and we got tagged at break even on this. It was very unfortunate. You can see on the 1 minute we took a 1 minute breakout right here, and it was so close to hitting 2R, right? But unfortunately came all the way back down and tagged us at break even. Nothing we really could have done there. Next trade we took was FERG. Beautiful 2-minute 3-bar play right over here, right? 147 by 147.50, and 2R so quickly and so easily. Look at these full red bars as we are shorting the stock at 147. Really nice pattern, and very nice that we caught it in time. Next trade we took was NVDA 303 by 301.80, and we got stopped out of this thing. And the reason we got stopped out was because of the market. Look at these topping tails after we got in on the engulfing 1 minute or 2 minute bar. Look at this, right? At 303 by 301.80, I thought we had given it enough room, but unfortunately came all the way back down over here and tagged us for a 1R stop. Nothing we really could have done there. I think, you know, engulfing bars, especially when it took 3 bars to go down and 2 1 minute bars to, you know, go back to break even, huge bullish sign. Just unfortunately, after we popped over the high of the day, NVIDIA did not have the strength to keep going and tagged us. Next trade we took was TXN 164.50 by 165.20 on this breakdown right here. So as soon as we saw this engulfing green bar getting followed by a engulfing red bar, we realized this, right, is a bull sandwich, right? And bull sandwiches looks like massive bottoming tails on the 2 minute, on 1 time frame higher, right? You know, and bull sandwiches are always a bearish signal, right? So we took this 164.50 by 165.20 above these topping tails right here, and fortunately for us went all the way down to 1R. Now with these secondary pattern, I like to call them, like bull sandwiches, bear sandwiches, these type of patterns, I usually only aim for 1R because they're not a definite sign of where a stock is going, right? Which is why we only took 1R from this, but I believe it did go 2R, right? You guys are gonna have to check for yourself, but we got 1R out of TXN here. And the last trade we took for the week was Apple 174.44 by 174.80, and we got stopped out of this thing. We took this on a 1 minute sell setup or a 2 minute sell setup right here, right? Unfortunately, we were looking for about 50% retracement, by the way. Unfortunately, look how strong the Qs were, right? So many, literally the Qs could only go up on Friday, right? And unfortunately that dragged Apple along with it, so it did not even make a 50% retracement, only made like a 20% retracement. Unfortunate for us, but it was a very beautiful pattern. All we needed was maybe a 5 minute bear run on the Qs, and I believe we would have hit target, because as you notice, right, the Qs are pushing higher, but Apple's really trying really hard to pull back, right? So any weakness from the Qs would have let us hit our target on Apple. Unfortunately for us, you can see we got stopped out after this huge green bar, after being so extended on the Qs, appeared and brought Apple with it. And there's nothing we really could have done. Really beautiful pattern, perfect entry, perfect stop loss, just did not work. And that is all the trades we took this week. Once again, we didn't take a lot of trades, right? Because of, you know, the markets were just not in our favor this week. But still, we made 1R, right? And, you know, we gotta take them where we can get them, you know what I mean? So yeah, that is for that week. Once again, if you do want to see all of it happen live, head on over to averagetrader.live. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to put them in the comment section below or join our Discord. I'm very active there. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend and a great Memorial Day. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.